Dongguan Belan Automation Equipment Co. Limited is a research development manufacturing company housed in one of the high-tech enterprises. I focus on the vertical deep plough 3D wire forming equipment. The main products as below: new energy automotive copper and aluminum bar bending machine. In the mill copper wire bending machine, rotary wire bending machine, flat wire bending machine, steel bed bending machine, double head wire bending machine, acid form steel wire special machine, cassette screed weaving machine. Equipment widely used in new energy for conducting electricity, copper aluminum bus bar bending, new energy vehicle battery stripping steel bed bending, new energy vehicle inductor coil motor jump connection, connecting copper wire bending, car seat form wire bending, car rear seat frame steel wire, auto wipe arm rod forming bending, human forest tool bending, supermarket shelf bending, furniture seat scroll bending, kitchen and bathroom hardware and other parts bending. Belan wire bending machine for custom provide customer with high precision. Overall solution of wire forming equipment for more than 10 years, focus on equipment accuracy, production efficiency, and the improvement of continuous production stability. The company has now passed and strictly implement the ISO 9001 quality management system to ensure excellent quality and good service, win the trust of customers, helping the manufacturing industry achieve continuous intelligent upgrade, and bring industry back to the natural beauty. Thank you.